it's Todd, your favorite roofer with Sunbelt Roofs, Slidell, Louisiana. Gorgeous, 78 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Just wanted to show you from a previous video, we just did a Malarkey Vista Storm Gray, Class 4 impact rated, fortified certified roof. How beautiful this turned out. Giving the homeowner great long-term protection, discounts on our insurance, put some new turbines in. We were able to keep the skylights. We painted the flashings, resealed them, all the new plumbing boots. I'm just here to do a final check. It's tightening up good. We got some decent weather. It'll cure in and tighten up in a little bit. But we got this one finished from a previous video. Just wanted to give you an update on Malarkey Vista Storm Gray. Again, Class 4 impact rated, fortified roof. Gonna save this homeowner a lot of money. She was not part of the Louisiana Fortified Grant program, but she made the decision to do this for her own good. But again, check us out. If we are a registered contractor with Louisiana Fortified Grant program, we have different shingle options, whether you want impact rated or not. Lots of color choices, but check us out. Sunbelt Roofs.